What we really want to do is find planets like the Earth, small and cool rocks where you could have liquid water on the surface. So far, most of the over 5,000 planets that we have found are hotter than Earth and bigger than Earth. And that's because they're easier to find. And that's telling us a lot about how planetary systems form. But, we're after the Holy Grail. We want the rocky planet in the habitable zone. These stars are so far away. We really, in our lifetime, have no chance of ever visiting them. So all we have is their light. But you can learn so much from the light from these stars. You can spread it out in multiple wavelengths and look for the signatures of molecules and atoms. You can look at it vary with time and see what that means for habitability of a planet. NASA is going to spend the next 20 years studying the idea of a telescope that will be able to take an image of a planet like Earth. We need people who are versed in optics. We need people who are versed in photonics. This is the time to get involved in optics and photonics. There are so many exciting projects out there, including the biggest one that NASA will probably ever do. When we find a planet like the Earth, a rocky planet in the habitable zone of a sun-like star, the entire astronomical community will galvanize to study this planet with every instrument we have. Every telescope on the ground and in space is going to be pointed at this star and this little rock to see what we can learn. And it's surprising how much you can learn just with light.